So Chrissy and Steve, I want to show you the place to sit down and relax.
Yes.
On the top there.
Okay.
Very relax with umbrella. Umbrellanya payungnya ada kan?
Ada di sana.
Yang di atasnya. With umbrella and chat. Yeah, no problem. Can smoke. Yeah, no problem. This is not. We cannot. Yeah. So sometimes when my customer want to see the sunrise without jeep tour or without hot spring, before 6 o'clock I already stand by here. So we are sitting down here. The restaurant not open yet. My friends still sleeping at home. Yeah, I show you the best spot and relax. So later if you want to order drink or food also have here. Yeah. Ice cream, serve. Yeah. This spot also can, but I show you the best one. I come here very often, even actually more places like this, but this is I already try one by one. This is the best one. I mean I'm focusing in the view, very nice. Welcome to the Bali heaven. Welcome to Bali. Oh, amazing view, look. Yeah, can. From here, there also can. So Steve and Chrissy, this is spot for taking picture. For relax. For taking picture is here. Yeah. If you or here also can, no problem. So yes, correct. So the black lava, you know, what we can make the temple, the black one.
Yes.
The black color is come from here.
Okay.
Yeah. And then this is Mount Batur, we call it.
Yeah.
And this in the middle is Mount Abang, and then next one, the highest one is Mount Agung. Yeah, but the clouds still close the mountain.
Yeah.
If clear, you can see three of them very beautiful.
The lake.
Oh, this is a lake.
It's a lake.
No sea here because mountain area.
Okay.
So lake here, you see lots of the something in the lakeside.
Yeah.
That is for fish farm. Yes, fish farm here. And then down there we have a hot spring that I told you before. But mostly the hot spring is already modern. And for people will go there maybe like for hunting photo, nice view, only for Instagram photo, something like that. That is optional. If you like, can go. If not, no problem. If no sunrise, also can still explore by jeep, but exploring the black lava, black sand, optional as well if you like. The last eruption for the mountain 1963. Yes, long time. But this one so active. The volcano Agung volcano very often smoky only, but sometimes smoky only. Nggak ada payungnya. Payungnya nggak ada. Yang biasanya ada payungnya. Oh gitu. Berarti duduknya sana aja gitu. Oke, iya. Oke, nanti menunya minta ya kalau nganu. You want to sit down here or in down there?
In the shade.
In the shade? Yeah, in the shade there. Okay.
We'll take photos now.
Yes.
Come down.
Yes, correct. Oke. Nanti di bawah aja kita foto-foto dulu. Nah. If you need my help to take picture, you can tell me. Yeah. Yes. Vegetation.
Yeah, so grass hasn't grown on it.
The grass
Looks powdery.
Yes, because the trucks always come here to take the black the black rock
Oh,
stones
so
to take
it's like mine. It's like people, yeah, they're using
you know, yes.
Okay.
People using the lava
Material.
stuff. Yes, the material. Yeah.
Okay.
So if you see from there, I don't know you can see or not.
Yeah.
It's track there.
Yes, I can
See?
see.
Yeah, from there is track taking the rock
Okay.
lava. Yeah, yeah. Some people live there. Look, it's village.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Yeah,
That house.
and
And rich there though, isn't it?
and-
Rich off the lava field.
yes, and actually we have a scary tour trip
Yeah.
in this area, but not many people can, not many people go.
Yeah.
Actually, we have special cemetery. You know, special cemetery in Hindu religion. Normally, we burn the body when someone died.
Yeah.
But in whole Bali, only in this village, they not burn the body, but just put under the ground,
Yeah.
on the ground, not deep
Yeah.
in the ground, no, just on the ground,
Oh.
under the big tree.
Okay.
The unique things, the body, even we put there, not smelly, not bad smelly, because
So they
they,
farm.
because no, nothing, only because of the big tree there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is unique trip actually,
Okay.
but a bit scary.
okay.
Not many people want to do that because it's so scary. Actually, it's unique. It's good. Yeah. Doesn't smell. It's very unique. A bit horror. If you like to explore, no problem. Up to you. Yeah, maybe put next time, no problem. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, no problem. Only inform you what activity you can do. Yeah, yes.
I know they did information.
Hmm.
Yeah, that's interesting.
Yeah, that's the make this special
Special tree.
tree. Yeah. So we put under the tree, on the ground, the body, and put close with the bamboo only. I show you the picture. Like wait. This one. I show you both. Wait. So yeah. So this is just for, oh my god, no ashtray here. Oh my god, I put here first. Just want to show you, long time ago the hot spring down there is natural, but now because they built like modern,
Yeah.
so the view will be like this, more or less, you know.
Okay.
People will swimming here,
Yeah.
and that with the view of the mountain and everything.
Water's still hot.
Hot, yes,
still
hot.
hot. But they put
Yeah, make modern like pool, yeah. And then like this the view.
right.
Yes. So this is the pool, and then you can relax here in the cafe,
Yeah.
enjoy drink or food, something like that here as well. But this one, the ticket a bit expensive. 300,000 means $30 each.
Yeah.
So expensive. And another side, the Trunyan, we call it Trunyan village. This is village. I mean, I want to tell you what is here. Look,
Oh, yeah.
under the tree.
Yeah.
We put here like. So cover bamboo only.
Yeah.
See?
Oh, yeah.
The dead,
Oh, yeah.
the dead body is just close with the bamboo.
Yeah.
It's down there. Yeah. Oh, look. Look like
And
this.
nothing happens in Bali. You do in Bali.
Yes.
Yes, in Bali.
And whole Bali, normally majority 99%
Yeah.
is burn the body. Only in this village, no.
No.
Special, special dari tradition.
Sometimes that's a funny problem. Oh, three.
Sometimes you will see very clear thing like this. So the body inside here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So beside this dead body. This is a big tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think this big tree make the body not smell.
Yeah.
Something special.
Bit of cold.
What's that one?
This one. Oh, I never seen this. Oh, looks like bee. I think. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Have you take the picture already?
Yeah.
Here on this side also very nice. You want inside, outside, no problem. You can choose wherever you like. Oh my god, go guitar. Let me try.